Pinapurihan naman ni Senador Bongbong Marcos si PNP CIDG Chief Benjamin Magalong dahil sa patas at makatotohanan ng investigasyon ng Board of Inquiry ukol sa Mamasapano incident. Ayon kay Marcos, hindi alintana ng BOI ang bigat ng kanilang responsibilidad basta't maihatid sa sambayanan ang katotohanan. Nagbabalik si Jade Miguel para sa detalye.
Makatotohanan at objektibo, yan ang katangian ng report ng PNP Board of Inquiry ayon kay Senador Bongbong Marcos.
So it is certainly this for me. We have to give credit where credit is due. General Magalong came up with a good report, which I believe was which based on the facts and the findings from their investigation.
Sa kabila ng delay na natilian niyang independent ang BOI, kahit na marami ang naghinala na maaaring magkaroon ng whitewash sa kanilang report. Isa sa mga maayos na naipaliwanag ay ang time on target principle, dagdag pa ng senador.
The concept of time on target was also well explained. That the time on target is not a form of coordination. Time on target means that it is a way to inform all the other different agencies, entities, units as to what is going on with the PNP SAF at the time.
Samantala, nagbigay naman si Marcos ng benefit of the doubt sa Pangulo kung bakit pinili niyang makipag-ugnayan sa isang suspendidong opisyal ukol sa operasyon.
We still hope that he can clarify exactly what his role was. And what were the reasons? I think that his role in the entire Oplan Exodus, the planning and the execution, is clear. But what is the reasoning behind why? I always give the president a benefit of the doubt, and I say maybe the president knows something the rest of us do not know, and that would have encouraged him to handle this the way that he did.
Maliban pa rito, magsasagawa ang senador ng isang pagdinig tungkol sa ceasefire mechanism na magbibigay linaw anya sa dahilan kung bakit nahuli ang reinforcement ng AFP.
I have scheduled the hearing April 13 to specifically look at the ceasefire mechanism in case of encounters like what happened in Mamasapano. It took 11 hours before from the time that the MILF commanders were first informed na yung kanilang katapat, yung kanilang nakikipagsabakan sila ay gobyerno, hanggang nagkaroon ng ceasefire, 11 hours yun. Yun ang talagang gusto kong bawasan.
Ngunit bago isagawa ang naturang pagdinig sa Abril, kakailanganin anya ng Senado ang report ng MILF na kukunin pa ang kopya sa Malaysia. Ayon kay Marcos, mawawalan din ng saysay ang pagdinig at hindi magiging tunay na kumpleto ang report ng Senado kung wala ang naturang report ng MILF. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jade Miguel.